So guys, if you watched my previous video and tried to get Karambit, but you got stuck along the way, here is another simple and fast way to activate it. First, make sure you equip Karambit camo to the base melee. This is the problem many people are experiencing. The Karambit didn't show up, only the base melee. I'm going to show you guys how to activate Karambit for use in multiplayer easily and fast. Click copy loadout. Then go to share. Name the loadout you want to copy as Karambit and click generate code. Then go to manage. Click this button. In this page, deselect all the other stuff and be left with the base melee which I had equipped with Karambit camo. The trick is that, when you copy base melee which is equipped with Karambit camo to other loadouts, the base melee should now appear as the Karambit and should show up in match.
Training mode.
That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like and comment.